In this video, you will see how to delete a Facebook page. I will show you how to delete a page on a desktop version. The mobile will be very similar. So once you log into your Facebook, let's go to your Facebook page first. You're going to click on the circle here. Then your pages will come up. If you don't see pages, click see all profiles, then get into your page. So go into your page. You will need to go into your page. Once you are here, go to setting. On the left, go down till you find access and control. Click here. So before deleting, I just want to tell you that you need to be an admin of the page in order to delete your page. If you are not an admin, you cannot do this function on Facebook. So if you click delete page, if you continue, Facebook will ask for your login detail and password. And after that, Facebook will say the page will be deleted within 14 days or 30 days. Within this time, if you want, you can change your mind. So yeah, just continue, put your password, and the page will be deleted in 2 to 4 weeks. Just in case, if you don't want to delete the page, you want to temporarily stop the page, let's say for a few days, you can deactivate the page. So click on deactivate, go through the same process, and that's it. It's done. If you like this video, consider putting a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar content, subscribe to this channel.